Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we hide photos. Friends, you want to hide guys photos in your Infinix phone device. I mean, how can you hide today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video guys. So first of all guys, you will have to own guys your phone file guys. So guys, I will own guys this my Google file, and guys I will click on guys this save folder setting guys. Click on guys this save folder setting guys, tap here, and as you can see choose a lock. So when we will have to choose any lock, so guys we will go with pattern, and guys I will draw guys this pattern, and friends you can see guys 4 dot will not work guys. You will have to take guys your 5 dots. So guys I will take guys this dots, and friends come back and confirm your pattern guys. Again tap next, and got it, come back. Friends guys, now guys we will select guys images. So I will select this image guys. Friends you can see guys this 4 image guys. I will hide, tap your 3 dot, and friends you can see move to save folder guys, tap here to draw your pattern to hide this 6 images. So when these photos will hide, and friends you can check here your photos. So like that guys, we can hide photos in our Infinix One device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.